Are HDB prices too high right now? Many people are wondering if it's still a good idea to buy. It's true that prices have gone up a lot, and many HDB flats are now selling for over $1 million. But does this mean you should avoid buying? Let's take a closer look. First, why are prices so high? One reason is that there's limited supply of flats, especially in popular areas. More people want to live in these places, so the demand pushes the prices up. Another reason is that resale flats are being sold at higher prices due to their location and size. But is buying an HDB flat at these prices a bad idea? Not necessarily. It depends on your personal situation. If you plan to live in the flat for a long time and you can afford it, it might still be worth it. Over time, property values tend to go up, so your flat could be worth more in the future. However, there are risks. If you buy now and prices drop in the future, your flat might be worth less than you paid. This could make it harder to sell or upgrade later on. Some people are worried that prices are at their peak and might come down soon, but no one knows for sure. So should you wait for prices to drop? That's hard to predict. The government has introduced cooling measures to slow down price growth, but these measures don't always lead to lower prices. If you can afford to wait and you think prices might drop, it could be a good idea to hold off on buying for now. What if you don't want to buy an HDB flat? Some people are choosing to buy private property instead. Private properties are less regulated, which means prices might not be as controlled as HDB flats. But private properties are also more expensive, and not everyone can afford them. Another option is renting. Renting doesn't build equity, but it can give you more time to save up for a better deal in the future. Renting might also be a good option if interest rates are high and buying isn't affordable for you right now. At the end of the day, the decision comes down to your personal situation. If you're able to wait and save, renting might be a smart option. But if you need a place to live and can afford the current prices, buying could still be a good move. Remember, the property market is always changing. Keep an eye on the trends and make sure to consider all your options before making a decision. Buying a home is a big step, so it's important to think carefully before jumping in.